Alright, now let's get started. So let's put our rice in a bowl and then add water. So we'll rinse it properly using our hand so that all that extra starch and any dirt is there, it can come out. So we'll do it 2 to 3 times until we see a clear water. So if you have any plants that you have planted indoor, outdoor, then please don't throw this water, because this water is really good for plants. So I'll keep this water for our plants. So I've added another batch of water in it, and then using our hand we'll mash it properly. All right. Okay, rinse well. Okay. All right, and then alright, now we have rinsed the rice 2-3 times. Now we'll put poha and methi dana.
And how do the same thing?
Now our rice has been soaked, so we'll do the same thing with our dals. So we'll wash them similarly. Atharva, now wash it, rinse it well, use both hands. Make sure you don't spill the water outside. That's it. Now let's so we'll do it again properly. So this step is very important because all the dust and any extra starch. And now you can see we got a pan full of water. So this is gonna be a very nutritional water for our plants like Kadi Patta, your money plant, which is nothing but pathos, your tulsi plant, your peppers, and other flowers plant. So we'll use that one. All right, so now we have added water in both. So we'll keep them soaked for roughly 2 to 3 hours. So in the evening, we'll grind them and we'll show you the process how to grind. And stay tuned, and we'll come back. Thank you. All right, तो इनको भिगे हुए अब कम से कम 4-5 घंटे हो गए। अब इसका हम दाल का वाटर ड्रेन कर लेंगे और इसको अभी हम पीसेंगे। तो we'll start with the water first. बैटर निकाल के इसको डालें। right, now it's time to reveal the level of fermentation. So it's been sitting in the oven for almost whole night. So we'll get this one और इसको देखते हैं कि इसका oh wow, it was 1/3 and it is almost like coming on the top. If I would have kept it for another 10 minutes, it would have been overflow. Okay, let's see the level. Oh wow, look at this. This is amazing. All right, now we'll put it into test. We'll make dosa or uppam today and see how it comes out. Okay, it smells so good. This is so fresh and very well fermented. All right, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.